Looking for a compact pressure transmitter that doesn't compromise performance? The GEMS 3510 series delivers best-in-class price-to-performance ratio, built for OEM applications. Its compact, lightweight design fits tight installation spaces without forcing redesigns. With all 316L stainless steel wetted parts, it's built for broad media compatibility and long-term durability. Achieve plus or minus 0.5% accuracy with less than 0.2% drift per year for consistent, reliable measurement. The 3510 features a wide range of outputs, connectors, and pressure ports, plus IP65 and IP67 protection for demanding environments. With a fast 5-millisecond response time, it's built for dynamic pressure systems. Designed for performance, built for OEM integration. Explore the 3510 series.